Hello friends, in this session we will talk about super keyword in Java. So first let's try to understand what is super keyword. So the super keyword in Java is a reference variable that is used to refer parent class objects. The super keyword came into the picture with the concept of inheritance. Now let's talk about what was the actual requirement to have super keyword in Java. If you have instance properties with same name in parent or child class, then with the help of super keyword you can differentiate them. Now we will try to understand like how we can differentiate between parent class instance variable and child class instance variable when their names are same. So over here, as you can see, I have created one class called superclass, and in this class I have created one instance variable called a and initialized it with 10, and after that I have created another class called super keyword, and we have extends our superclass in this super keyword class. So in super keyword class I have created one variable called a of integer type, and we have initialized it with 20. So after that I have created one method called display, and in this method we have printed them. So let's try to take a look like how we have printed this. So in the earlier session you have seen how to use this keyword. So this keyword refers to the current class object. So in this way we have called this a. So if you will double click on this variable like this, you can see the a presents in super keyword class is highlighting. It means this particular variable, this dot a, is referring to this particular a which is written in super keyword. Now let's try to double click on super dot a variable. Now you can see the super class a variable is being highlighting. So it means this dot a will refer to the super keyword class a, and super dot a will refer to the super class dot a variable. And after that I have created one main method, and as you know, this display method is an instance method. So first I have created our super keyword class object called obj, and with the reference of that object I have called display method. Now let's execute the code and see the output. So as you can see, we have differentiate in between both these variables when their names are same. But now I wanted to override these values. So as you know, to change the value of instance variable, we can simply use this dot a and we can change it to 200. And the same thing we can do with superclass instance variable while using the super keyword like this. So let's quickly execute our code to see the output. So as you can see, yes, we can override the values. No issues in that. Now I will change it little bit from non-static to static. So as you can see, we are getting the warning because I have already mentioned so many times in my earlier sessions. If you are calling any static properties, you must call it with the reference of their class name. But as we are having this super keyword, we can call it like this also. So now let's quickly execute our code to check the output. Okay, so as we can see, we got the output. Now I have another situations like what if I will change this method from non-static to static. So now as you can see, this keyword and super keyword is giving us the error. What it says super field super class dot a should be accessed in a static way, cannot use super in a static context. In the earlier session we have seen like we cannot use this keyword in static methods, same as it is we cannot use super keyword in static method. So I will revert the changes, like I will remove this. Okay, so this was all about this session. Thank you for joining us.